KRG the Don, we are coming for you. Mambo inachemka. Guys, again it's a boy, your favorite boy, refurbished icon. I'm back again. Nimekuja kuwachokesha na lazima mtachoka, kelele tapiga. Okay, here's the thing. There have been these allegations of net worth. Yeah, again, it's a boy, your favorite boy, refurbished icon. I'm back again. Na tumekuja, this is the home of where you get a lot of entertaining episodes, entertaining information, because you need it, I got it. So here's the thing. There's been these kind of allegations of net worth, whereby Kaji the Dons has been saying that net worth yake ni 5 billion. Okay, I'm not a hater. We don't hate. But let's just call a spade a spade. You know, when it comes to the Don, I don't have any question. Because you know, this is a guy who likes talking a lot. Anapenda kuongea sana. And every other time, this person has something to defend himself with. Utapata kuna ile time ambayo amekuja kukuwa interviewed with some people like Mungai Eve. Pale, we usually follow. Mungai Eve waambia watu wako wa subscribe kwa channel yangu. So we usually follow. So kumetokea na this thing of kila time lazima ajitetee. But the good thing with KRG the Dom, and I would really like to work with such a guy in future. This guy always, to some extent, even though he's talking a lot, anaongea mingi, but it reaches a time whereby this person also delivers. Kuna this video, kama uja watch this video, we just go search KRG the Dom. Utaona there was this video that he helped a certain guy akambuy some crates za mayai. I think zilikuwa 5 ama I think more than 5. Then he went later on to buy some stuff zitamsaidia aanze maisha with kuuza mayai. That was a very great move, and I'm congratulating you guy. Buga, you're my guy, you're my G, I respect you. Pale kwa net worth 5M hapo ndio penye tashwishi kidogo, but yeah, unajua mtu akiongelea something ni yeye ndio anajua. However much you try to question, you'll not come to that extent of kukubali like alisema hii na hatujaona. Wewe be satisfied that he did this and that na ikafanyika, alafu mkafunga hiyo story. But there is this Ringtone Apokos. This is now just another joke. Bana, this boy unajua kila wakati like ni ile unajua most of the time alikuwa anasema hizo mavitu zote alikuwa anapewa na kale na ule mzungu, that mother of his, ule mama yake. So imefika mahali amekuja to an extent of kusema yeye ako na net worth ya 50 million. Kwanza anaisema vizuri na hiyo accent yake ya Kikisi kwenda huko. Ati mimi naye niko na net worth yangu ni 50 million. Angalia kiatu changu ni cha gold 5 million. 5 million wati? You say wati? 5 million? Bana unatupima bahati tu. Kwanza si 5 ni 12 million. Unanunua kiatu 12 million, unajua 12 million tukiweza pewa hiyo ni pesa ngapi mzee? Bana acha kutupima bana. Sometimes you have to go as per reality. You know, sometimes hata kama ni showbiz. Ati okay, is okay. Longi zako ni za 1 million. Unasemaga hivyo 500,000 1 million. 1 million. Hey, boys. Sometimes you have to think before you come to the limelight and you're telling people that you are doing this thing for this is 1 million, this is worth a million. You also have to evaluate like what's your lifestyle after there, because tunakuona kwa social media unapiga showbiz kidogo alafu unapotea, piga kidogo unapotea, but you don't show us the essence of that, where you get that amount of money, what you do, because most of the time we are just seeing you crying on social media. After crying on social media, seeking some sympathy here and there, that's when you now come and tell people like, hey, mimi nina mali ya 50 million, 50 billion, not even million, 50 billion, that is my net worth, 50 billion. Your teacher teach me to thought. Piga thought hapa na wewe ni Mkristo. Acha mchezo ba. Mambo inachemka. So if you try to compare Buga with Ringtone Apokos, nyinyi watu wawili tofauti sana. Unafaa unajiangalia. Try to evaluate yourself. See, ask yourself what you want. At least hata tujue unafanyaga nini. Apart from just crying on social media, what else are you doing? No hard feelings though, but you have to tell us, what do you usually do? Yeah, look for me, kuja. We talk. I teach you on how to manage these things, because I also teach people on how to live, people on how to manage themselves. I'm still a young guy, but there is a business mind in me. I'm doing a lot, and we don't brag about it, but we're still moving, we're still pushing. Na niko hapa hivi nitawaangaisha mpaka imrudi laini. Kenyans should know how to do showbiz. Not that they are just approaching issues from here and there, alafu wanasema now this is showbiz, we are moving. Moving from where? Ringtone, I'm also coming for you. Well, lazima tutakutafuta. We are in Nairobi from July. We'll be there officially to come and deal with you guys. Mtueleze kuja hapo Kijicho Pevu. Also, people should marry because you're coming for those married couples. So guys, thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing my videos. Pia muendelee kunipush by the way, nikapige kale ka 1000 subs. You bado still have a long way to go. Yeah, people are subscribing, people are showing love. I have nothing to complain about. So big up. Thank you guys. See you again in yet another episode. I love you.